Skincare is more than just a daily routine. It plays a vital role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Our skin acts as the body's first line of defense against environmental factors, helping to protect us from harmful substances and pathogens. As we age, our skin undergoes significant changes, from the delicate complexion of childhood to the challenges of maturity. Understanding these changes is crucial for adopting effective skincare practices at every stage of life. Prioritizing skin health not only supports physical protection, but also contributes to confidence and comfort. By exploring how skincare needs evolve, we can make informed choices that benefit us throughout our lives. The skin is the body's largest organ, serving as a vital protective barrier against environmental hazards such as bacteria, chemicals, and physical injuries. It is composed of multiple layers, including the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue, each playing a unique role in maintaining health. The outermost layer, the epidermis, helps prevent water loss and shields against harmful substances. Beneath it, the dermis provides strength and elasticity, housing blood vessels, nerves, and glands. Over time, the skin undergoes natural changes, such as thinning, reduced elasticity, and slower cell turnover, which can affect its ability to protect and heal. These changes are influenced by factors like aging, sun exposure, and lifestyle choices. Understanding the structure and function of skin highlights its importance in overall well-being and the need for proper care throughout life. Caring for the skin of infants and children requires a gentle approach. Daily cleansing should be done with mild, fragrance-free products to avoid irritation. Sun protection is essential, so using broad-spectrum sunscreen and protective clothing can help shield delicate skin from harmful UV rays. It's common for young children to experience dryness or conditions like eczema. Moisturizing regularly with hypoallergenic creams can help maintain skin hydration and soothe discomfort. If skin issues persist or worsen, consulting a pediatrician or dermatologist is recommended to ensure proper care. Adolescence is a time of significant hormonal changes, which can greatly affect the skin. Increased oil production often leads to acne breakouts and a shiny complexion. Effective skincare strategies during this period include gentle cleansing twice daily to remove excess oil and prevent clogged pores. Non-comedogenic moisturizers help maintain hydration without worsening acne. It's important to avoid harsh scrubbing, as this can irritate the skin and exacerbate breakouts. For persistent acne, products containing ingredients like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid may be beneficial. Consulting a dermatologist can provide tailored advice and treatment options for more severe cases. Developing a consistent skincare routine is essential for young adults, as it lays the foundation for healthy skin in the years to come. Cleansing daily helps remove impurities and excess oil, while moisturizing keeps the skin supple and balanced. One of the most important steps is protecting your skin from sun damage by using sunscreen with adequate SPF, even on cloudy days. Sun exposure can lead to premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer, making prevention crucial. Additionally, maintaining hydration by drinking plenty of water supports skin elasticity and overall health. Simple habits like these can make a significant difference, helping to prevent common issues such as dryness, breakouts, and uneven skin tone. By prioritizing these practices, young adults can promote a clear, radiant complexion and safeguard their skin's future. As we move through adulthood, our skin begins to show subtle changes. Early signs of aging, such as fine lines and a loss of elasticity, can become more noticeable. Factors like stress and exposure to environmental elements, including sun and pollution, also contribute to these changes. To maintain healthy skin during this phase, it's important to adopt a consistent skincare routine that includes gentle cleansing, regular moisturizing, and daily sun protection. Incorporating antioxidants and hydrating ingredients can help combat the effects of stress and environmental damage. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and managing stress levels further support skin health. By taking these steps, adults can help preserve their skin's vitality and appearance. As we age, our skin undergoes significant changes, often resulting in wrinkles, age spots, and increased dryness. Managing these concerns requires a combination of targeted skincare routines and healthy lifestyle choices. Using moisturizers rich in hyaluronic acid and ceramides can help maintain hydration and improve skin texture. Sunscreen remains essential to prevent further age spots and protect against UV damage. Nutrition also plays a vital role. Diets high in antioxidants, vitamins C and E, and omega-3 fatty acids support skin health from within. Regular exercise and adequate sleep contribute to overall skin vitality, while avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol can minimize premature aging. By integrating these strategies, mature adults can promote a healthier, more radiant complexion. Hormonal shifts, particularly those experienced during menopause, can have a significant impact on the skin. As estrogen levels decline, the skin may become thinner, drier, and less elastic, often leading to increased wrinkles and a loss of firmness. Some individuals also notice heightened sensitivity or changes in pigmentation. To help mitigate these effects, adopting a skincare routine that emphasizes hydration and barrier protection is essential. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides can support moisture retention and skin resilience. Additionally, gentle exfoliation and the use of broad-spectrum sunscreen can help maintain a healthy complexion. Consulting with a dermatologist may provide personalized recommendations, including topical treatments or procedures tailored to hormonal skin changes. Environmental factors such as pollution, climate conditions, and ultraviolet exposure play a significant role in the health and appearance of our skin. Pollutants in the air can clog pores and accelerate aging, while extreme temperatures and humidity can disrupt the skin's natural balance. Prolonged exposure to UV rays is one of the leading causes of premature wrinkles, sunspots, and even skin cancer. To protect your skin, it's important to use broad-spectrum sunscreen daily, regardless of age or weather. Cleansing thoroughly helps remove impurities, and moisturizing maintains the skin's barrier function. Wearing protective clothing and seeking shade during peak sunlight hours also minimize damage. By adopting these habits, you can help preserve your skin's vitality throughout life. Throughout life, many individuals encounter common skin conditions such as eczema, rosacea, and psoriasis. Eczema often appears as dry, itchy patches, especially in children, while rosacea typically manifests as redness and visible blood vessels on the face, more frequently affecting adults. Psoriasis is characterized by thick, scaly plaques that can develop at any age. Preventing flare-ups often involves gentle skincare routines, avoiding known triggers, and maintaining proper hydration. Treatment options range from topical creams and moisturizers to prescription medications and light therapy, depending on the severity. Consulting a dermatologist can help tailor strategies to each person's unique needs, ensuring effective management and improved quality of life. Maintaining healthy skin is influenced by a combination of diet, hydration, and lifestyle choices. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients that support skin repair and resilience. Staying hydrated helps keep the skin supple and can reduce the appearance of dryness and fine lines. Regular exercise improves circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, while adequate sleep allows the body to regenerate and heal. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can prevent premature aging and skin damage. For all age groups, gentle cleansing, sun protection, and managing stress are important habits to preserve skin health. By making mindful choices every day, individuals can promote a radiant and resilient complexion throughout their lives. Choosing the right skincare products and routines begins with understanding your age and skin type. For younger skin, gentle cleansers and lightweight moisturizers are often sufficient, while mature skin may benefit from richer creams and ingredients like retinol or peptides to support elasticity. Those with oily skin should look for non-comedogenic products and ingredients such as salicylic acid, while dry skin types may prefer hydrating components like hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Sensitive skin requires fragrance-free and hypoallergenic formulas to minimize irritation. It's important to avoid harsh ingredients like alcohol and sulfates, which can strip the skin of its natural moisture. Always check product labels and consult with a dermatologist if you have specific concerns or conditions. Recognizing when to seek professional help for skin concerns is essential for maintaining overall skin health. Persistent issues such as severe acne, unexplained rashes, changes in moles, or chronic irritation often require the expertise of a dermatologist. Dermatological treatments can address a wide range of conditions, from common problems like eczema and psoriasis to more complex concerns such as skin cancer. Regular checkups allow for early detection and intervention, which can prevent minor issues from developing into serious health problems. Additionally, dermatologists can provide personalized advice and treatment plans tailored to your unique skin type and needs. By consulting a professional, you gain access to advanced therapies and the latest medical knowledge, ensuring your skin receives the best possible care. Maintaining healthy skin is a lifelong commitment that evolves with each stage of life. The key is to adapt your skincare routine to meet changing needs, whether that means focusing on gentle cleansing in youth, sun protection during adulthood, or hydration and nourishment as you age. Consistency in daily habits, such as using sunscreen, staying hydrated, and choosing products suited to your skin type, plays a crucial role. Regular check-ins with a dermatologist can help address specific concerns and prevent future issues. Remember, healthy skin is not just about appearance, it reflects overall well-being. By making thoughtful adjustments and prioritizing care, you can support your skin's health at any age.